Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Liyah Arie, and I'll be showing you how to remove knotless soft locks.
It's something about the way you stare into my...
When I did these soft locks, I twisted the hair to the left. So in order to remove them, I'm going to twist the hair to the right.
Every time I try to resist, we can get away.
So I kept twisting, and then I cut the fake hair. Make sure you're not cutting your real hair. This is where a lot of people end up cutting the real hair because they mix it up from the fake hair. You should be able to tell from the different texture. And then I find the braid and I unwrap it a bit, and then I cut the lock hair, not the braid. I cut the lock fake hair. And then after that, I'm going to continue to twist the remaining of the lock to the right, and then I'm going to slide it off. If the lock isn't sliding down as easily like this one is, then you might have to unwrap it a bit to help it loosen up, and then it'll be able to slide off.
I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself.
Okay, so I'm going to twist to the right, and then I'm going to find the braid. I'm going to pull the braid out, and then I'm going to cut the lock, and then I'm going to twist the remaining of the lock at the top to the right, and I'm going to pull it down off the braid.
Sit right next to you. I feel about you, you wish away. Really, really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. I want you that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an ever how we play. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings.
For this lock, I didn't even need to twist to the right because I could already see her braid poking through the lock. So I just pulled it out and then I cut the lock.
Stay up here, we can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions how we play.
Okay, now I'm going to remove the locks that match your hair color. This might be a little more difficult to find the braid, but just remember to feel for the braid. If you're doing this yourself, feel for your real hair. It should be softer than the hair that you used. And then feel for the braid also. And you might need to get someone's help, so you make sure you don't cut your real hair from the lock. I would recommend doing that if you're doing yourself, or do it where you, in a mirror where you can see what you're doing, or like take a picture with your phone and make sure that you have your real hair.
I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. Trying to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away.
Sometimes the lock will be difficult to take out because the fake hair will be wrapped around of the braid too tightly. So you could just cut the little piece of the fake hair off, and then it should be able to slide down easily. But make sure you're cutting the fake hair and not your real hair.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you back.
Okay, we've reached the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions on the removal process of the soft locks, comment below and I'll answer. Bye.